Hey Primary One! Today's time to Subitize, and you are Subitising superstars as we know already. So a little warm up for ourselves today is we're going to use these Subitising cards that are in your pack. Now there's actually loads of them when you cut them all out, so don't worry, just put them into a pile, cut out as many as you like, and then we're ready to go. So the first game is just to see what you see, so shout it out. How many? Okay, how many now? This one's a 10 frame, so if we're not sure we can count, it's going to be 5 spaces along the top and 5 spaces along the bottom. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 8. Say what you see. And this one. Onto our tallies. And this one, and we can recognise it because it's got this very distinctive line around it. One of our primary ones showed us, if you put 4, then you put your other finger, keep them together, which is a really handy tip for remembering number 5. And that's a word, so I'll put that way just now. And on our fingers, how many? Okay, a tally. So we've got 5 and 1 more. Okay, and this time we've got 5 and 2 more. 5 and 3 more. These are in a strange order. Another word, we'll just pop that to the side for now. Pneumacon, how many do you see? Okay, let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done if you got that. Let's do a couple more together and then you can have a turn at home. Okay, another 10 frame. We've got a full row along the top, which we know is 5 and 1 more. And last one, another 10 frame. I'll hold it up like this. And we have only got, it's 2. So if you want to play this game at home, pop them in a pile. Feel free to move the number words out the way because we don't need these at the moment. And then just see, you can either play by yourself or play with someone at home, how quickly you can subitize the one that's on the top, pull it off, and then go on to the next one. If you can subitize it, you can keep it. Okay, our next game is about listening to how many. And it's a really tricky skill and it's a great thing to practice. And you can do it with anything. You can use your hands to clap, you can use a tub and a pen to tap. It's up to you. So I'm going to do some puzzles for you to count at home, and then you can get someone at home to give you some puzzles to count too. So we'll start with claps. Count as you go. So every time you hear a clap, put a finger up. Okay, this time listen and watch as we count. Did you get it? Well done. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, now that's quite a tricky one, so we'll do it again and then we'll count together. Okay, let's count as we go. Did we get it? 7. Okay, we'll do one more together and then you can pause the video and get someone at home to clap some challenges or tap some beats for you to count. Okay, that was a tricky one. Let's do it again a bit slower. Okay, let's listen and keep track. Did we get that? That is a really tricky one. Okay, pause it here and have a go at home. Okay, for our last game we're going to play is Domino Car Park. Now we do this a lot at school, but this is a chance for you to get creative and make your own. So you need your dominoes from your pack and either paper and pens to make your own car park, or if you have got a car mat at home, you could actually get your number cards and lay these out on it instead. So let's go and have a look at what to do. Okay, so I have decided to draw my own domino car park. So I have drawn some roads and made sure there's a parking space with each of the numbers from 1 all the way up to 12. I've also got my dominoes in a pile next to me. What we're going to do is choose out the top domino. Now you can turn them upside down if you like, and then it's a surprise. Turn it over, and then you're going to subitize how many on your domino. I can subitize that and look and see how many here and how many here. Yeah, so we've got 6, and then I can count on 6, 7, 8. So I need to drive and park mine at number 8, which is just right here. Here it is. Okay, another one. Okay, another lot for subitizing. So, how many here? And how many here? Okay, let's add them together. Start with the biggest one because we can put that in our head, and we know it's 6 because we've subitized. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I need to drive it all the way over to number 9. So I might come on here and take it for a drive round the road. And I can park it here. Okay, we'll do one more together, and then I can't wait to see what you come up with for your domino car parks. Okay, how many here? And then none to add on, so we're just looking for 5. So I might drive in here, take it along, and park it in number 5. Okay, see how many dominoes you can get parked. What design can you come up with for your domino car park? Or do you already have a car mat at home that you want to decorate with your number cards and park that way? Maybe you'd rather design a theme park and do a domino roller coaster. You can be as creative as you like. But the real challenge here is seeing how quickly we can match our dominoes to the numerals, using our subitizing skills to add each part of the domino together. Which pile is going to be the highest? Which car parking space is going to have the most dominoes stacked in it? Feel free to share what you come up with on the Sharing the Learning channel on Teams.